So hello guys, welcome back to my channel CAD and KTR. So today we are going to make this drawing in the KTR V5. So let's start. Before we start, first we are going to make this side part, and after that this end part, and in the end we are going to join these both of parts. So let's start our drawing. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and notifications. Part design, I name this part 1, okay. And after that I select ZX plane, sketch, circle. Diameter of this circle is 15. Diameter of this circle is 15. Then zoom it out, and after that exit sketch, pad, mirror extend, and the pad distance is 14. So I type here 7, and after that select this plane, sketch one more circle at this plane, select a circle, make a circle, and then the diameter of this circle is 14, 13. The diameter of this circle is 13. Exit sketch, pad, length 2.5. Then after that select this plane, sketch on this plane, and make a polygon, hexagonal. Make a hexagonal, and after that the distance between both of these sides is 8. Exit sketch, pocket, pocket at a length of 2.5. After that select this plane, sketch, then select these edges and project it, and make it into construction line. And after that select a circle, make a circle on vertical axis. The diameter of this circle is 9 point, the radius is 9.5. Radius, select here radius and type here 9.5, 9.5, and then the distance from this center to this axis is 23, 23. And after that select a line from this point to the edge of this circle, and after that mirror this line, and then join this both of the ends, then trim the extra part. Exit sketch, pad, mirror extend. This time the length of the pad is 9.5. So here we select mirror extend and type here 9.5 divided by 2, 4.75. And after that select a ZX plane, sketch, project this rectangle, and after that exit sketch, and then select a pad. Here in the length type here 12, then preview, this period this rectangle we have to make because of there is this section is being left in this side, and this cannot be filled by the fillet. Therefore we have to make this rectangle, and after that we have to pad. Select this rectangle and type here 12. Preview. Okay. After that select this plane, sketch, circle, make a circle. The diameter of this circle is 2 point. The radius of the circle is 2.5. Exit sketch, pocket. In the dimension type here up to last. Preview. Okay. Then select this plane. After that project this circle and make it into the construction. After that select a circle, find the center point of this circle, the project, then the diameter of this circle, the diameter is 6.5, dimension diameter 6.5, then exit sketch, pocket, up to last, preview. Okay. In the last we have to make a fillets. So for the fillet, select here fillet command, select these edges and select these edges and type here in the radius 6.5. Then select this edge, press Ctrl, select fillet, select this edge and type here 20. Review. Okay, the fillets are ready, and the last we have to make is these slots. And for these slots, the dimension is not given as properly, but we are going to make these slots. So for that, select XY plane, sketch, select here a rectangle and make a rectangle. Before that, select these edges, and then project it and make it into construction lines. After that, select a rectangle, make a rectangle and turn off this construction line. Then the length of this line is 1.5, 1.5, and the distance between both this axis and this line is 1.5. 1.5. Let's check it. Yes, 1.5. And after that, the length of this line is 22. I give this value 22. Then exit sketch. Okay, pocket, mirror extend. So for the mirror extend, select a dimension, mirror extend, preview. Okay, this slots is ready. And after that, select here a mirror command, and then select this slot, and then this axis. Okay, the second slot is being ready. So this is how we make this drawing in a CATIA V5. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and notifications. So thank you for watching and keep subscribe my channel. Thank you.